Hey all, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking Channel. I'm Darren, of course, and again, today I'm going to do another one of my upstate New York hometown favorites. And you know, this could have changed in the years that I've been gone from up there. I moved down to Florida in 1979, but I grew up in a little town called Upstate New York, right on Lake Ontario on Route 104. But there was a little drive-through that we used to drive by to go to my uncle's house, or when we went over to the beach. And it's called Orbaker's, and it's in Williamson, New York. And this is the burger that I remember from my childhood. So we're gonna do that today, and I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
Alright guys, so like I said, this is a burger that this little drive-in stand is actually still there. It's been around since 1932, I believe, and it's right on the Route 104, the main road that goes from my old hometown Wolcott to Rochester. So you take that, goes right through both the towns. So, but this town Williamson is kind of like right in between my hometown of Wolcott and Rochester, and it's about 10 miles or so west of Soda's Point, where we used to go to the beach. So we would head over there every once in a while when we went to the beach, or on my way to my uncle's house to visit them and my family there. But it's a cool little old school drive-in that's still there. They make burgers, they make Zweigel's hot dogs, White Hots and Red Hots, they make ice cream, and a garbage plate. They call it something else. I think the winter lovers plate, or something like the winter haters plate, something like that. But still there, been around a long time. Now this is the burger I remember. I think they may have changed it since then. But the burger I remember they made, it's a bigger burger. It's not really a smash burger, but it's cooked similarly, but it's a really thin but a bigger patty, and they had them on bigger buns, kind of like a Kaiser roll, but about that size. So I couldn't find any good Kaiser rolls, so I got these farmhouse rolls from Pepperidge Farm that are very similar. So it's more of a harder type roll than your smaller, softer brioche type bun for hamburgers. So, but the way they made it, it's a thinner patty, but bigger around. Salt and pepper was the only seasoning they had. White American cheese is what they had. I think they've changed it since then. I think they've got new cheeses now. I think they use yellow American and something else. But the original burger that I remember actually had the Kaiser rolls with the sesame seeds on top, or the little poppy seeds, but I couldn't find those either, and I don't even think they do those anymore. But they toast them. The burger has 2 slices of white American, and the way I remember it, it had ketchup and mustard on it, and pickles and chopped onions, and that was it. That was their cheeseburger. I think they've got some different stuff going on now, but this is the one that I remember that I used to get a lot of. So that's what we're going to cook up today. Also, crinkle cut French fries was their thing. They didn't have the regular straight cut fries like your other fast food places had. It's the big, thick crinkle cut. So that's what we're going to make with this today. But we're going to make crinkle cut fries and Orbaker's cheeseburger. And like I said, it comes with, I'm going to chop up some pickles, some chopped onion, mustard, ketchup, and that's it. I'll be back. We're going to throw these burgers on the flat top. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get my burgers thrown on. And as you can see, like I said, these are bigger patties. They're just rounder. They're not as thick. Like I said, I don't remember them being smash burgers. They could have been smash burgers, but I never remember seeing them smashing the burgers down. I just remember them putting the big patty on a really hot flat top grill, and then cooking them up, putting that white cheese on. So we got the white American cheese. I said it was always white American back then. Ketchup, mustard, onions, and pickles. That was all I remember it being on there, and that's what we're going to do. And these are, like I said, these are bigger buns, so they're more, I don't know, more like a Kaiser bun. So I can remember it being more of a harder type bun than a regular squishy burger bun like from McDonald's or anything like that. So I got my fries. My oil's ready for my fries, so we're gonna start the burgers and then we'll drop the fries in. They won't take too long. So, all right, I'll see you at the grill. All right, guys, so these have been on a few minutes now, and as you can see, the edges here are starting to peel back, so that's what you're looking for. And you can see I had seasoned them on both sides, so I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. I can press it down a little bit and be fine. Got the little crust on there like you would with a smash burger. And since I'm flipping these, I'm going to go ahead and put my buns on to toast as well. And I'll put my cheese on. Well, all right, guys, my fries are taking a little bit longer than I thought they would. But I'm going to go ahead and build me my burger here. You see I got my buns toasted a little bit more than I wanted to. And I'm going to go ahead and put just a little bit of mayo on the bottom here. Now, from what I can remember, if you wanted lettuce and tomato and stuff on your burger, they would actually put it on the bottom and set the burger on top. So I always like a little mayo on my burgers now. So I'm going to put just a little bit there on the bottom. And then we're going to go ahead and put my burger on here. Grab it off the grill. Like I said, this burger fits on that patty just right, or that bun just right. So that patty fits on the bun just right. So I'm going to go ahead, just kind of put, oh, holy cow, my ketchup came out. Well, check that out, guys. My ketchup done spilled all over the place. So I got to be careful with this mustard here. Hopefully it doesn't squeeze out all over the place. Put just a little bit of mustard on there. I'm going to put a couple pickles right on there. And just a little bit of chopped onion. Not a lot, just enough to kind of coat it and get the taste of the onion. I don't want the onion to overpower the burger. And there you have it, guys. That's my remembrance of an Orbaker's burger. Go ahead and take a picture of that so we can see that down the road. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take a bite of this burger now. I'm going to go ahead and cut it so you guys can see. Probably take another picture of that. What do you think, guys? So, not quite well done, kind of medium well there. Got a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of mustard, a little bit of mayo, a little bit of pickle, a little bit of onion. Nice smashed tight burger. And that brings back memories, guys. Nice crunchy bun. I gotta tell you, that's a great burger. Check it out, guys. Try one of these. Old-fashioned drive-in type burger. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram. Make sure you follow us on our Fire and Water Cooking podcast when it comes back. Hopefully in August I'll have some new episodes. But I'm going to go ahead and get these French fries out, and I'll take a nice picture for the thumbnail. And I'll see you guys on the next Fire and Water Cooking video.